Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on Italio jewelry, and I'm pretty sure you have seen an enormous amount of videos on the infamous Italio jewelry. Everybody and their mama are talking about it, and I have some jewelry today that I would like to share with you. Now, some of these pieces I already got from Italio, so I'm going to show you that. And we're talking about maybe a year or something later. I still have that jewelry as well as some new pieces. So, Italio jewelry, we already know that it's worldwide. It's worldwide shipping for as Italio jewelry. They have like 60-day return policy, secure when you get ready to check out everything, and they give coupon codes. The jewelry is legit. The website is legit. I have been wearing their jewelry for a long time, and in some of my videos you will see that I have worn some of their jewelry. So if you would like to know what I got from Italio jewelry, just keep on watching. Okay guys, I am back, and I'm trying to decide whether I want to put the ones that I had on for years, or I want to, that I already had, or do I want to put on new ones? But I think what I'm going to do is go ahead on and put on the ones I already had. As you can see right here, this is one piece right here. I didn't want to take it off because it was going to be hard to put back on. So being that I already have this one on, I'm going to go ahead and start with that one. So inside your box, you will have different cards and stuff like that, and I will get to the cards and what they are. You will have cleaning cloths and all of that. So right here, this would be your jewelry. My cross necklace that I have on right now came in this one right here, and yes, these are really nice, expensive looking cases. So this necklace that I have on, and like I said before in the last video that I did on Italio, I broke the chain, and I'm so sad that I broke the chain. But this right here is the Halo Cross necklace pendant, and it is $9.25. Let me see if I can take this out and show you guys. It comes with plastic as well. So let's see if I can do this. This is what it looks like. Let me come up. I'm hoping that you can see it, but this is how it comes. And it has like gems all inside of it. And these are sapphires that's inside of here. And it's sterling silver. So y'all, I don't take it off unless I'm doing something I want to change, other jewelry, then I'll take it off. But other than that, I do not take it off for nothing, okay? So the next one I have is, this one is I have my notes. This one is the Halo Cushion Created White Sapphire Wedding Band, which is $9.25 sterling silver. And I've had this for going on 2 years, I'm thinking. And I do wear this one. This is so elegant, so elegant. You wear this when you want to pretty much like going out and, it's just really nice, y'all. Just really nice. You can see that. So beautiful. So usually I wear this ring whenever I wear it on this finger, or either I'll switch it to this finger right here. And for right now, I will put it on this one, but it is a little too big. So usually I'll put it here. And actually, I'm going to put it back right here. So it's this piece right here, and this piece was the first piece I ever got from Italio jewelry. And I thought maybe that would be so neat that I go ahead and show you guys the first piece I got. So that was 1 year ago. I think it's 2 years, y'all. I think it's 2 years. This is the first two items I got from Italio jewelry. So the second ones are, they come like this in the box again with two, and it has your cloth. I'm going to let you know what that is. So this one that I got right here is the, oh my, this is gorgeous, y'all. Let me go ahead and put it back in here. Look at this right here, honey. Look at this. This is the Pear Cut Engagement Ring, All Promise Ring, and it's sterling silver, $9.25. And the gem is sapphire. This is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. And the camera is doing it no justice, okay? But I am going to take some pictures that way you guys can see it. So all around this ring, it has gems going all around it. So, so beautiful. So, so beautiful. So usually I try that and put that on this finger right here. Look at that. Gorgeous. For the next purchase, well, the next item that I got is the bracelet right here, which is the hollow pear cut topaz tennis bracelet, which is sterling silver. And she is just so gorgeous. Look at her. This will be the second purchase that I had got from them. And with this right here, it has like the little clasps like that. It's a little claw-like situation that you open like that. And this goes and it like so. And then it clamps down and it closes. This is what it looks like. So elegant, so beautiful. The ring and the bracelet together, it's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. If you can see that. And then this one right here, got this one with this one. So this is my first time, the first order I had, and this is my second order. So let's go ahead on and get into while we're here, because I know you guys have already seen this, and I know you want to see what I got inside of these two boxes right here. So I'm going to go ahead on and give you a little bit of information about Italio, you know, how you can get your stuff and everything. So I noticed that some boxes, they come like with the flap and the magnetic top right there that folds back. And then some comes like this, where you just take the top up. So let me put my glasses on you for a second. So let's get to business a little bit. That way you can get your jewelry, okay? So inside this box, you have one of the little baggies right here, which is, they are so cute, y'all. They are so cute. You can use, you know, little drawstring baggie. You get silver polishing cloth right here. So cute. And they really do work. Inside of here, you get the disinfection of your jewelry. That's letting you know that the action that they took to clean your jewelry, disinfection of inside and outside of the package and everything like that. That is very, very good and very useful. Then we have the 60-day return policy. It's how to make your return or exchange. If you have an order cancellation or anything like that, they have everything you need on this card right here. Full coverage, the limited coverage, you know, exchange, all of that. So this would be your 60-day. Then they have the 1-year warranty. So you have, yes, your 1-day warranty. It says, we stand behind the quality and craftsmanship of our jewelry. Italio Jewelry offers a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. The warranty becomes void if the product has been subjected to misuse or has been altered by anyone other than the authorized Italio Jewelry representative. So this is your 1-year warranty right here. Then you have your SGS. And your SGS is actually letting you know that this is your 925 sterling silver certificate right here, that it is authentic right here. As well as they let you know your jewelry care guide. So this is your jewelry care guide right here. So the next one is, let's see, is this 4mm round cut tennis necklace, which is sterling silver. Y'all, it's gorgeous. Sterling silver. The weight is 10.2 grams and it's nickel free, and the gem is sapphire. I always wanted one like this that was real, guys. Hold on. Let me see if I can put it still up against it. You see that? I don't know if you're picking it up good or not, but I'm going to go ahead on and put it on. But before I do, the clasp is like this. You see that clasp? And it's one of the other ones that, you know, you just push it inside of there like this. You push it inside. And then you close the sides of it. That's how you do it. So I'm going to go here on and look at this. Girl, I wish that you could be able to really see it really, really good. But, honey, ooh, look at that. So I'm going to go ahead on and put it on. That is gorgeous. That is just so, so gorgeous. Oh, my goodness. It is so, so gorgeous. Y'all, it keeps twisting on me because I don't have it on right. But, oh, it's so gorgeous. It's breathtakingly gorgeous. So the next one that I have, guys, and I'm still holding my neck all crazy, girl. So the next one that I have is the what is this? Multi-row tennis bracelet. Girl, this one I had to say for last. The multi-row tennis bracelet is sterling silver. The weight is 26.19 grams. The metal is silver plated. And it's nickel free. And they come in sizes 6, 7, 8, and 9. Look at this. Do you see this? Oh, my goodness, honey. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. This is gorgeous. And you already know it's going to go on that side. Oh, my goodness. So, honey, this is how you open it right here. It's gorgeous. You have stones everywhere, everywhere. And then you push the little button right there and it releases it. And look at this. Look how gorgeous she is. Ooh, look at her, y'all. Look at her. This is gorgeous. So this is my pieces right here. The cross necklace. And I'm trying to keep this necklace. There's nobody to clamp it on for me. So I'm having a hard time with this hair and everything. So here is this right here. The tennis necklace, the tennis bracelet, the engagement ring, the pear-shaped, oh my goodness, blinged out ring, baby, and the pear tennis bracelet. So I have a lot of jewelry. Who say that Italio is not legit? Girl, they better think again because this jewelry is amazingly beautiful. This is not no raggedy jewelry. This is not no costume jewelry here. This jewelry is beautiful. So I already gave you the specs, the 60-day. Let's see. Let me go over. I already gave you the 60-day return policy. It's 100% safe and secure checkout. It's reasonably priced. Believe that. It is reasonably priced. They have top quality. You can see it. Top quality jewelry. And a lot that, like this necklace right here, I have worn it in a lot of my videos. Even this ring I wore in a lot of my videos. I really haven't worn this one because I wear this one if I'm going to go out somewhere really special with the bag, okay? So, worldwide free shipping, it says. Also, you can use my code, which is 20 in all caps JBaby to get an extra 20% off of your purchase. So thank you so much, Italio Jewelry, for sending me out this amazing, wonderful, beautiful, stunning jewelry. You guys, I will have everything down in the description bar that you would need to get your hands on any of this stuff. They have a lot of jewelry, lot to choose from on their website. So go check them out. Like I said, use 20 all caps JBaby to get 20% off, an extra 20% off on your purchase. And you guys, I will see you in my next video. Be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.